Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys a quick tutorial how to properly twist your hair. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. So most of the time, a lot of girls do complain that when they twist your hair, they can't achieve that definition they want. So I think the reason why is because you are twisting your hair too loosely, and this can make you not to achieve that look that you want. So as you can see me going here, I am twisting my hair very tightly, like very closely. You can see the space I am giving my hair is very little. You want to twist your hair very tight to achieve that definition, like I said before. And you don't want to borrow from the other part of your hair. You're gonna use the two separate hair that you have already started to twist your hair from the beginning till the ends of your hair. Okay, so after watching this part of the video, I am also going to show you a separate video why you are not achieving a defined twist. So this is the other part of the video, the reason why you are not achieving your twist to be defined, because you are twisting your hair too loosely. Okay, the space you are giving your twist are too big. They are not going to like create that definition twist to make it really like look defined, you know. As you can see me doing here, my twist look like a loosened twist here, and you can't expect the twist, this particular twist, to be defined. It can be defined, but not to really define as you wish. So I think this is the reason why your twists are not really defined. Okay, I believe you find this video helpful. Bye.